Get ready to experience electric biking at a whole new level. Introducing the Tifgalop F7, a high-performance 2000-watt dual-motor e-bike built for power, precision, and adventure. With two 1000W brushless motors under the hood, the F7 delivers an incredible 90 Nm of torque, unleashed in just 2 seconds. Whether you're conquering steep inclines, cruising rugged trails, or gliding through city streets, this bike adapts instantly to your rhythm. Thanks to its advanced sine wave controller, you get silky smooth acceleration and precise control across 5 intuitive speed levels and 3 pedal assist modes: Eco, Tour, and Sport. At the heart of this beast is a 52V 24AH battery, built with high-quality Samsung or LG 18650 cells, each one engineered for longevity and performance. Fully removable and IPX6 water-resistant, it's easy to charge and designed to go the distance. You'll enjoy up to 65+ miles of range on a single charge, giving you the freedom to ride longer and explore further. Top speed, up to 35 miles per hour. And yes, the limiter is removable. Just contact support, and this machine transforms from commuter cruiser to full-throttle thrill ride. Charging takes between 6 to 8 hours, and you're back on the road, fully powered, fully equipped. Comfort is never compromised. The full suspension system and 20-inch fat tires absorb shocks with ease, giving you a smooth, stable ride whether you're on sand, snow, dirt, or pavement. These 4-inch wide tires grip the terrain, while the frame geometry keeps your ride agile yet grounded. And while the performance speaks for itself, the design doesn't fall behind. With a bold, aggressive silhouette, clean battery integration, and ultra-durable construction, the F7 looks just as sharp as it rides. Whether you're pushing the limits off-road or gliding through cityscapes, the Tifgalop F7 is more than an electric bike. It's your all-terrain partner, built to thrill, engineered to last.